everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm sharing with you guys my Walgreens, or not my Walgreens haul, my CVS haul. Yeah, I know, I'm used to saying Walgreens because I did so many Walgreens videos last week. I did 4. It's crazy. But yes, I'm here to share with you guys what I got at CVS. Both of my cards actually printed this week, except one card I didn't get like the mystery offer from like CoverGirl or Maybelline. I've noticed that that doesn't print if you don't print off your coupons every single week or something like that. But I'm like, whatever, it's not a big deal. I'm just happy that I got physical paper CRTs instead of the digitals. I don't like the digitals, and the reason is because they mix them up with the ones that are still valid, and I just don't like that. I like to know the ones that I got brand new or something like that. And I just like having the CRTs to show you guys also when I take the photos, and it's just less hassle. So, but yeah, some of you guys were saying that CVS wants to go green, and I understand that totally, but it's also a pain in the butt. So there's that. Like, they don't have to have every single one individually coupon. They could just give you like a sheet or something like that, and then they just scan it and that's what comes off. I don't know. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So one of my cards, I did get the Maybelline. It was a $3 mystery CRT. So these are $3.19 at my store. You guys want to get 2 of them. You use that, did I say $4.19? $4.19 to get 2 of them. You use that $3 off CRT that we got. You guys would pay $5.38 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $5 ECB, making them just 38 cents. So I'm like, whatever. And I really like the shimmery colors, and I've used Maybelline a lot for eyeshadow. So if you guys need some eyeshadow, definitely go for that deal. The next deal we got is the Serna. Now these were $5.69. You guys want to use 2 5 off of 2 coupons that we got from our inserts a couple weeks ago. I also had a 4 off of 2 Serna CRT that I used. So I ended up paying $8.76 for all 3 of these. But then you guys will get a $7 ECB for buying 3 of them. So it comes out to be $1.76 or just 44 cents a piece. So I think 44 cents a piece is a pretty good deal. So share them with you guys with that. The next deal we got is the Tom's Maine mouthwash. Now, I've never gotten Tom's Maine before, so I thought this is a pretty decent deal. So this was $6.29. The one that was $6.29 is the Wicked Fresh mouthwash. It's Cool Mountain Mint. I don't know if I'll try these, but these are alcohol free. But yeah, so you guys want to use the 2 off of 6 mouthwash CRT. You guys would just pay $7.43 for both of these. But then you guys will get a $3 ECB back. And you guys can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.80 and $1.80. So you guys will get $3.60 back with Ibotta, making both of these just 83 cents or 41 cents a piece. And I think that is a pretty good deal. Like I said, I never get Tom's mouthwash, so I'm like, getting something like that is a pretty great deal. On the mouthwash. Now I also did the Olay body wash. Now this stuff, I usually say the dollars, you're going to pay a little bit more for the Olay. These are scents that I've never seen before. Here we got the Orchid and Black Currant. I never even smell these because I just like getting a variety. It smells okay. I like it. And then here is the Star Apple and Hibiscus. That one smells good. That one smells good. I like that one. So these are 2 for $11. Now I had a 2 off of 2 digital coupon for that. I also had a 2 off of 6 body wash. So I ended up getting these for $7, and then you guys would get a $3 ECB, making them just $4. That comes out to be $2 a piece, and I usually say Olay body wash for $2 is a piece. is a pretty good deal. So in case you guys need some, you know, Olay body wash, definitely go for that. I ended up getting the Physicians Formula. Now this is a nude palette. I don't know if this is, it's for eyeshadow, eyeliner, bronzer, blush, and highlighter. I'm gonna go crazy over this. I've been trying to work on my makeup more. I want to do, I want to get more into makeup again, you guys. I miss it. And I kind of just am sick of just doing the same look and stuff. I miss like going crazy with makeup. So I kind of want to start doing that, especially to work on my channel. I want to bring more things to my channel. So you guys will be seeing some more things coming up. But yes, this is the Physicians Formula. But this was $14.99. There's a deal where if you spend $15, you get a $10 ECB. Well, I had a $4 off mailable coupon that I got from those value packs that we get in the mail, so I ended up using that $4 off coupon. And then I also had a 3 off of 12 cosmetics CRT, so I paid $7.99 for this, but then you guys would get $10 back in an ECB, making this a $2.01 moneymaker. So I'm pretty excited. This is something I'm actually really excited to try. Yes, so yeah, excited to try that. The next deal we got is the Oreos. Now, you guys know I've been craving Oreos lately, especially I just tried the double stuffed golden ones. I've already chomped down on one package. I have another package that's almost empty. So I had to get more. I'm sorry, I had to get more. So these were two for $6. There is a 75 cents off a 2 coupon that we got, I think in today's paper, but I didn't get it, so I ended up having one that doesn't expire yet from a couple weeks ago. You guys would pay $5.25 for the both of these. I know it's crazy for cookies. But then you guys will get $1.25 back in an ECB. And you guys can also submit your receipt to Checkout 51 for $1 off of 2. Now, Checkout 51 is a great app. I also have a referral link below if you guys join. I think you guys get $5 when you join. But, yeah, so you get these for $1.50 a piece, so $3. I think for $1.50 a piece for Oreos is a great deal. I mean, I go to the grocery store and they're usually like $3, and sometimes I don't have my coupons on me, so I'm like, yeah. So I've been really craving the golden ones. Like, they're just so good, so good. Like the chocolate ones I always have to have with milk. These I just eat with me wherever I am. So there's that deal. I just love my Oreos. The next deal we got is the Schick razors. Now, everybody keeps doing the deals for like the Schick Hydro 3 or whatever. I don't have that at my store for $8.99, but these are $12.49, okay? So you guys want to buy 2 of them. You guys want to use 2 $4 off coupons that we got in our inserts from a couple weeks ago. You guys also want to use a 4 off of 25 CRT, which comes out to be $12.98 for the both of these. But then you guys will get a $10 ECB, making it just $2.98 or like $1.49 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal for razors. I've been actually wanting to try this razor, so I think this is going to be one of my next razors. I just don't know what one I want to use. There's ones with shea butter, and then there's a sensitive care, which I think it's all what's in the little sauce thing, the little razor thing. So sharing with you guys with that deal. Like I said, I really like to share. I really like to get razors as cheap as I can. Now, I ended up getting the Softsoap. Now, I thought I had 2 CRTs that I could use, and then when I got up to the registers, one of them was for over $8 because I thought it was buy 2, you get this, but it was buy 1, get 1 50% off. Or they're buy 2, but it was buy 1, get 1 50% off. So the 1 CRT didn't work, so I'm like, oh, I'm nuts. But otherwise, it doesn't really matter. So these are $4.99 at buy one, get one 50% off. I had a 2 off of 2 Softsoap CRT. I was going to use the 2 off of 8 body wash, but like I said, it didn't work. So I ended up paying $5.48 for this, but then you guys will get $3 back, making it $2.48 or $1.24. Not the greatest deal, but hey, I still wanted to share with you guys on that. I wasn't gonna like take it back or anything. So, and there is printable coupons on the Softsoap website. I've already reached my limit, so I can't print them off, and I don't know when those will reset. So, in case you guys need some body wash. And then I ended up getting more of the Almay cream eyeshadow. I like this. This is the purple one that I opened last week. I haven't used these yet, but I'm going to because I really like liquid eyeshadow. So these are $7.99. I used 2 $3 off coupons that we got from our inserts, I think like 3 weeks ago. And then you guys also want to use that 5 off of 15 Almay CRT. You guys will get these for $4.98, but then you guys will get $4 back in an ECB when you spend $12. So these come out to be just 98 cents. That's 49 cents a piece. I'd rather pay 49 cents a piece for eyeshadow. But yeah, I really like liquid eyeshadow. I used to use this stuff all the time, and then I kind of stopped using it, but I really like liquid eyeshadow. So got those for my little, you know, makeup thing, and I'm gonna start working on makeup more. I'm gonna kind of organize my makeup a little bit better. It'll be one of my cleaning videos to work on makeup, so be prepared for that, you guys. My total came to $31.25. Now, I ended up having like hardly any ECBs. I've been losing them like crazy lately. So I thought, whatever. So I ended up going to Fetch Rewards, and I ended up just getting a $50 Fetch Rewards gift card. CVS now is back up to $50. For a while, it was only $3, but now you can do a $50 gift card. So I just did that. I just screenshot it on my phone, and I just had them scan my phone. Worked no problem, but that's what I like to do because, I mean, I got Fetch Rewards, I got that stuff for free anyways, you know, from scanning receipts, so why not just use that? So, but my total did come to $31.25, but remember, I didn't hardly pay for any of that stuff because of my Fetch Rewards gift card that I used. But I ended up using $34 worth of ECBs to make my total get down to $31. Like, I gave her everything I had. But I ended up receiving $46.25 back, so that was pretty good that I kind of earned more just to start gaining them. I ended up getting $3.60 back with Ibotta, and then I got $1 back with Checkout 51 for the Oreos. So my grand total came to $14.40. I ended up getting 19 items for 76 cents a piece, which I think $14.40 is a pretty good deal. I mean, those razors alone are $12.49 a piece. So if you guys think about that, I mean, and then I got Oreos that are expensive, and my Serna, those are $5, you know, almost $6 a piece. So I think I did pretty good. But I just, you know, I want to share with you guys as many deals as I can. But I hope you guys enjoyed my CVS haul. Hopefully you guys can get some great deals, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.